Hi and welcome everyone. Thank you so much for joining us at the Titus product stage. My name is Igor Bergand and today we'll talk about innovative damping solutions for sliding door systems for various applications such as wardrobe cabinets and interior sliding doors. We would like to invite you to chat with our engineers and specialists if you have any additional questions. Sliding doors are a stylish and modern way of adding extra personality to your home. Not only do they look great anywhere, they also enhance the functionality of space, especially in smaller bedrooms or apartments. Sliding doors enable the creation of different zones without shutting areas off completely and provide customers with more options for installation. Additionally, they bring more harmony into a home as they cannot be slammed shut due to their effortless gliding. With these benefits, it is little wonder why people love them so much. And at Titus, their engineers took this a step further, adding a damping function to use on any kind of sliding doors for complete comfort. Please join me in welcoming our studio experts in sliding door and soft closing to tell us more about this exciting topic. They are Stefan Pilzer, Global Director of the Damping Division, who has wealth of experience in engineering and key account management in the automotive industry. He now manages the Titus Strategic Business Unit for Damping and Soft Close Systems. Daniel Kozlovic, Product Designer, who has extensive experience in product design in cabinet hardware. His area of focus is damping and push-to-open solutions for applications in cabinets, drawers and sliding doors. Christian Drindt, Director for the Kinetics Division, who has remained in this role since the Titus acquisition and provides valuable sliding systems experience and knowledge for a wide variety of applications and industries. And Tobias Feist, Project Manager, who coordinates customer project for new sliding doors and soft closing solutions. He provides technical support for customers and sales and translates the voice of the customer to the engineering teams. The control of sound and motion is essential for user comfort. An application typically requires several soft closing systems to damp in all directions, which exposes the need for compact and efficient multi-purpose damping options to suit wood materials, plastic composite and glass. It also offers consistency and reliability of performance on different door sizes and weights. Stefan, let's talk about into more detail. Titus has been delivering damping solutions for sliding doors for years. After acquiring Simon Kinetics from Germany, you formed Titus Kinetics, now combining Kinetics' expertise in sliding door soft closing with Titus' expertise in hydraulic damping. Well, what do you say is the main advantage you can now offer to manufacturers of sliding doors and sliding door hardware in terms of motion control?
I think the initial statement covered it really well. A full range of compact and efficient multi-purpose damping solutions which suit various materials like wood, glass, plastic, composite or honeycomb. An important advantage stems from its core component, the Titus hydraulic damper. This type of damper ensures consistency and reliability of performance on different door sizes and weights at any opening or closing speed. The comfort in use is maximized by the low pull-open force required to open the door.
Daniel, can you explain the reasons behind Titus' decision to replace air dampers with new hydraulic dampers?
Yeah, we made the upgrade because of the need for an even better controlled damping path. Hydraulic damping technology offers a fully programmable, controllable damping curve with the ability to define forces and their distribution very precisely over the whole damping action. This allows us to fine-tune the performance of opening and closing in a particular application. With hydraulic dampers, even more customization options are made possible in terms of damper forces, spring forces, and also damper characteristics. And with it comes also the possibility of operation indoor systems weighing up to 120 kilos. So our precisely engineered range of components means we can address all kinds of requests and tailor our solution to customers' and manufacturers' specific needs.
After researching your clients' needs, you identified a niche in which you provide a particularly unique solution: to control the motion of middle doors in the composition of 3 or more sliding doors. Christian, what is the feedback from your customers and why have they chosen SlideX Centro?
Customers for SlideX Centro are high-volume producers of wardrobes from Central Europe. They find SlideX Centro optimal for middle door soft closing and centering. Its integrated parts are 2 Titus hydraulic dampers with 50 mm damping strokes, which ensure reliable soft closing in both directions. Also noteworthy is the low opening force, adding comfort to the daily usage by the end user. The advantage for manufacturers is because of the damper's compact size. It means less impact on the design and minimal need for adaptation of their wardrobe components. There's another exciting feature we should mention. You can add SlideX Centro to any two-way runner system, in cabinets with drawers, in kitchen islands, or double-sided pull-outs in pharmacy equipment or shop displays.
As I understand, you're the only company on the market with serial production to provide soft closing and touch opening functions connected in a single mechanism. What benefits does this bring to the interior features of a living or working space?
It assures effortless and comfortable opening and closing of wall pocket sliding doors, while allowing for maximum space in an open door position. Typically, a pocket sliding door in a fully open position stops slightly before the wall hole, protruding and obstructing the area available for moving. Our Push Plus system allows the door to be without a handle and to retreat entirely into the wall. To close, you activate it with a push. For maximum comfort, safety and silence, the same system also provides damping in the opening direction.
Your example demonstrated the feature in interior doors, but I can easily imagine the benefits of this product in some other home furnishings.
Absolutely. The system design is based on a modular approach, meaning that with minor modifications and a combination of standard components, we can adapt to the specific requirements of customers and applications. Our compact design with soft close and push to open in one unit opens multiple opportunities. We can think of pantry units and any other sliding system where handles are not wanted for aesthetic reasons.
Stefan, can Titus damping solutions be easily tailored to manufacturers' needs?
Yes, of course. The modular approach to product design assures a wide range of components, housings, pistons and valves, triggers and activators, springs and fluids. So it's possible for our customers to compose custom solutions in a very short time. And this goes for a wide range of products from various industries: furniture, architectural doors and windows, shower enclosures, glass partitions, home appliances and other applications in home and commercial environments. At Titus, our engineers always make sure that products are designed for a clear purpose, so manufacturers can find a solution just for them.
Tobias, how can these solutions be adapted to the market trends and customer demands?
We are manufacturing products as per customer specification, but we do more than that. We don't just offer predefined dampers, we take the end product into consideration and match the damper performance characteristics to deliver the best end result. We carefully consider such nuances as market demands for a specific region as well. For example, in Spain, there's a different expectation for damping from end customers than from customers in Germany. We are engineering our damping solutions with those market specifics in mind. We also do a lot of end-user surveying during the development stages. We adapt the same damping feeling to different strokes and different applications. Our customers especially value technical support that comes with Titus damping. We pride ourselves in product reliability, and our customers appreciate it. Users greatly value our dampers' reliability and adaptability. Having a Titus damper inside is an assurance that your products will perform to specification every time.
Thanks, Tobias, for elaborating more on this. Damping is an essential feature of sliding interior and furniture doors for the highest level of comfort and safety in use. Titus provides unique solutions to the industry to make these choices for manufacturers as easy and as customizable as possible. Ultimately, this leads to a competitive advantage for manufacturers and a high satisfaction rate for their customers. We thank you for your time. I hope you got all the answers from the experts. I'm Igor Bergand and I hope to see you at our next presentation.